Hi all, welcome to data structure tutorial sessions. In this session, I am going to explain how to evaluate the prefix expression. Why does the compiler convert an infix expression into the prefix expression? In evaluation of prefix expression, no multiple scannings are required, no operator priority, no operator associativity, no concept of parenthesis. Why? Because prefix expression is parenthesis less expression. That's why compiler converts an infix expression into prefix expression. How to evaluate the prefix expression? First step is procedure or algorithm to evaluate the prefix expression. First one is reverse the given prefix expression. Reverse the given prefix expression. Assume that your expression is plus AB. First reverse it, then it will become BA plus. Second one is scan the expression from left to right. Then if it is an operand, then push into the stack. If it is an operator, then pop the topmost elements. Pop the topmost two elements. Elements are nothing but operands, and apply that operator or perform that operation on those two elements. Apply that operator on those two elements. Elements means operands. Finally, push the result into the stack. Data structure. Push the result into the stack. When an expression ended, finally the value remains in the stack is the final result. Okay. So take an expression plus AB. So this is the procedure to evaluate the prefix expression. What is the first step? Reverse the given prefix expression. First one. Second one is scan the expression from left to right. If it is an operand, then push into the stack. If it is an operator, then pop the topmost two elements from the stack. Then apply that operator on those two operands. Next, push the result into the stack. Assume that your operator is OP. Your stack operands are B as well as A. Then if operator is encountered, then pop the topmost two elements from the stack. Here the important thing is place the first popped element on the left hand side and place the second popped element on the right hand side. Whereas if it is evaluation of postfix expression if operator comes, same thing, then pop the topmost two elements from the stack. First popped element is placed on the right hand side, second popped element is placed on the left hand side. Whereas coming to the prefix expression evaluation, first popped element is placed on the left hand side, second popped element is placed on the right hand side. Okay. So this is the difference between prefix expression evaluation as well as postfix expression evaluation. In one of the interview, the question is what is the difference between evaluation of postfix and evaluation of prefix? What is the first one? First reverse the prefix expression. Here no need to reverse the postfix expression. Here when an operator is encountered, pop the topmost two elements. First popped element is placed on the left hand side, second popped element is placed on the right hand side. Whereas coming to the postfix evaluation, first popped element is placed on the right hand side and second popped element is placed on the left hand side. Take an example. Example 1. Assume that your expression is plus 5,4. So evaluate the prefix expression. What is the first step? Reverse the expression. Reverse the expression means 4, 5 plus. Next, second one is scan the expression from left to right. If it is an operand, then push into the stack. Operand means push into the stack. When an operator comes, then pop the topmost two elements. First popped element is placed on the left hand side, second popped element is placed on the right hand side, that is 9. Finally push the result 9 into the stack. Push the result 9 into the stack. When an expression ended, the value remains in the stack is the final result. So the result is 9. So the result is 9. Take the second example. +5 star 4 2. Assume that this is your prefix expression. Evaluate this one. What is the first step? Reverse the given prefix expression. Simply reverse it. 2 4 star 5 plus. Second one is scan the expression from left to right. If it is an operand push, star means pop the topmost two elements. 4 into 2, that is 8. Next to 5 push. Next to plus means pop topmost 2. So 5 plus 8, that is 30. Push the result into the stack. When an expression ended, the value remains in the stack is the final result, that is 13 is the final result. Next, I am going to write a program to evaluate the prefix expression. First line of the program is #include stdio.h. Next, declare the stack globally with size s of 20. What is the data type of the stack data structure? If it is an operand, then push into the stack. All operands are integers. That's why integer data type. Integer data type. Why? Because here I am taking operands as 2, 3, 4 like that. Only digits. That's why integer data type. Next, int tys is equal to -1. Top of the stack initially points to -1. Next, write the definitions for push as well as pop. Void push of int x, void push of int x, s of plus plus toss is equal to x, s of plus plus toss is equal to x. Next, write the definition for pop. Int pop function return s of toss minus minus, return s of toss minus minus. Next, write the definition of main function. Int main of void. This is the technical way to write the main function. Int main of void. Next, declare one character array to hold the prefix expression, that is pe of 20. Next, take one more array in of 20 and pointer star p. Next, declare local variables like int a comma b comma result. Next, I am asking the user printf, enter the prefix expression, enter the prefix expression. You can use either getS or scanf. So scanf percentage s comma pe. Scanf percentage s comma pe. What is the first step in evaluation of prefix expression? Reverse the given prefix expression. How to reverse the array elements? You can write the logic manually or you can use the predefined function. Choice is yours. In my previous videos, I have explained how to reverse the array elements without using any extra space. That video is available in C programming coding questions playlist. Okay. Here I am using the predefined function as strcpy of in comma in array comma strrev of string reverse of which one? pe. I am reversing the string prefix expression and that one is copied into which one? In. Now in contains the which one? Reverse of the prefix expression. Next, p is equal to in to go through the string, while star p which is not equals to \0 up to the end of the string. Okay, scan the expression from left to right. If it is an operand, then push into the stack. If this logic is same as evaluation of postfix expression. If is digit of star p. Each digit is a predefined function defined in ctype.h header file. It checks whether the given character is in between 0 to 9 or not. If the given character is in between to 0 to 9, then it returns non-zero, otherwise it returns 0. Take an example. initially plus 2, 3. This is your prefix expression, that is PE. Next, I am reversing that particular one. 3, 2 plus backslash 0. So this is my in as well as P. While star P means 3. Here 3 is not a digit, 3 is a character constant. Each digit is a predefined function which checks whether the character 3 is in between 0 to 9 or not. Yes, it is in between 0 to 9. That's why it returns which one? Non-zero. If of non-zero means condition is true. But here 3 is not a digit, 3 is a character constant. How to convert the character 3 to the integer 3? Result is equal to star P minus character constant 0. Why? Because for character constant 0, what is the ASCII value? 48. For 1, 49. For 2, which one? 50. For 3, 51. So star P is nothing but character constant 3. What is the ASCII value? 51 minus 0 ASCII value is 48. So 51 minus 48 is number 3, digit 3, that is stored into the variable result, push into the stack, push of result. If it is an operand, then push into the stack. If it is an operator, operator means coming to the else block. Coming to the else block. Else block means if it is an operator, then pop the topmost two elements. So A equals to pop. Which element is popped out? Topmost element. Why? Because the principle of stack data structure is last in, first out. B equals to pop. One more thing. Next, switch off star P. Switch case plus. Then result is equal to, first popped element is placed on the left hand side. A plus B. Break. Whereas it is the postfix expression evaluation, result is equal to B plus A there. Why? Because first popped element is placed on the right hand side. Here the first popped element is placed on the left hand side. Case minus result is equal to A minus B, break. Next, case star result is equal to A star B, break. Next, case slash result is equal to A slash B, break. If you want to write, you can write the exponential also. Choice is yours. Next, closing of switch case. Finally, push the result into the stack, push off result. Next, close the else block. Next, if the character is over, how to move to the next character? Simply P plus plus. Next, closing of while loop. When an expression ended, the value remains in the stack is the final result. So printf value is result is percentage D comma pop. Percentage D comma pop. Last line of your program is return 0, closing of main. Take an example as this one, plus 2, 3. First reverse it and then P equal to n. So P points to the starting index. While star P means character constant 3, which is not equal to backslash 0, condition is true. So coming to the inside, is digit of character constant 3. Yes, it is in between 0 to 9. That's why it returns non-zero value. So coming to the inside, result is equal to star P minus 0. 51 minus 48, that is 3. Pushed into the stack. So 3 push into the stack. Next, after the if block, directly it comes to which one? P plus plus. P plus plus means it goes to the next one. P equal to P plus 1. Adding an integer value. P plus plus is nothing but P equals to P plus 1. Adding an integer value to the which one? Pointer. How to add? P plus 1 into size of the data type. Size of data type. That is equal to P plus 1 into, what is the size of char? 1. P plus 1 into 1 is 1. Assume that the starting memory location is 5000. So P plus 1 means 5001. 5001. Star P means character constant 2 not equals to 0. Each digit of 2. Yes, it is a digit. So convert that one into the which one? Digit 2. Then push. Next, P plus plus, it goes to the next one, P. Plus is not equal to backslash 0, condition is true. So, is digit of plus, is plus is in between 0 to 9? No, condition is false. Coming out of the if block, coming to the else block, A equals to pop. Which element is popped out? Topmost element. A value is 2. B equal to pop means B value is 3. Switch off star P means switch off plus. This plus and this plus both are matched. Then result is equal to A plus B. 2 plus 3, that is 5. Result value is 5. Break coming out of the switch block. Push off result. Push 5 into the stack data structure. Next, P plus plus. P plus plus is nothing but P points to the next one, backslash 0. Why? Star P not equal to backslash 0. Backslash 0 not equal to backslash 0 condition is false. Coming out of the while block. Coming out of the while block. So at the end of the input, when an expression ended, the value remains in the stack is the final result. So simply pop that one. So the result is 5. Here you may get one doubt. So this logic is same as the evaluation of postfix expression. Here we are writing in switch case result equal to A plus B, whereas in the postfix we are writing result equals to B plus A. Remaining everything is same. Is these two are same? For addition operator these two are same. Whereas if it is the subtraction operation, take an example, prefix, evaluation of prefix as well as evaluation of postfix expression. Your operator is minus and your stack operands are 3, 2. If it is minus, then pop the topmost two elements. First popped element is placed on the left hand side and second popped element is placed on the right hand side. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, push that one into the stack. Whereas if it is the postfix expression, minus, assume that your stack contains 3 as well as 2. When an operator is encountered, then pop the topmost two elements. First popped element is placed on the right hand side and second popped element is placed on the left hand side. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 1. For that particular purpose, here I am writing result equal to A minus B, whereas here result equal to B minus A. Result equal to A star B, here result equal to B star A, like this. So this is the difference between evaluation of prefix as well as evaluation of postfix expression.